How's Overwatch enjoying our city?
It's beautiful, except for all the killer robots.
Look up there! That's the command ship!
Then we know what we have to do.
Oh, yeah!
You're with me. We're getting aboard that ship. Let's get them, Brigitte.
I've got you, Papa. Watching your back.
Now that's teamwork. Hammer strike!
At the same time, development on the PvE experience really hasn't made the progress that we would have hoped. And there really is no end in sight or defined kind of end date where we can put that out into the world. And so we're left with another difficult choice. Do we continue to pour all that effort into PvE, hoping that we can land it at some point in the future? Or do we stick with this set of values that we've aligned on and focus on the live game and focus on serving all of you? To operate this game at the level that you deserve, it's clear that we can't deliver on that original vision for PvE that was shown in 2019. What that means is that we won't be delivering that dedicated hero mode with talent trees, that long-term power progression. Those things just aren't in our plans anymore.
So, Blizzard decided that they wanted to completely scrap the only reason why Overwatch 2 exists. But it's okay. It's okay that they canceled it. Because we have fucking triple XP, bitch! Yeah! Fucking right! Triple XP just makes everything better, right? Yeah! Now, you may be sitting there, like most people, wondering, hey, what am I gonna do with Overwatch now? Well, I'll show you what to do.
Please, have mercy!
Okay, fine, you can win! Fine, you can win! You can win! Okay, leave me alone! Come here, soldier. You can run all you want, but you will not escape me! Not this time! Not this time! Come here! Gotta do a little jiggy. Wait, no, it's too early! It's too early! Stop doing the jiggy! Alright, I'm about to do what's called a pro gamer move.
That's what the kids call epic fail.
Hey, hold on. The game just started. We can't talk shit until at least the second round. Okay, now we can start talking shit. What the fuck? Alright, now shit's about to get real. Time for balls. Hamster's going hamster mode. Uh-oh.
Suicide.
Okay, I may have thrown myself off the edge. I will completely clutch up this whole game by my lonesome if somebody can summarize the entirety of Evangelion for me for 10 seconds.
Can I get a cookie?
I could do that without saying that.
Yeah, I'll tell you
I'm
what,
animated.
we'll win for you if you summarize it for us in 10 seconds. How about that?
Giant robot does things and giant angel does things. Well, okay, you guys are you guys are a little cracked.
Wow, they have one of the dumbest teams I've ever seen.
Nah, let him cook.
Tank has no idea what he's doing.
How did he miss
Yeah,
that?
Tank.
Oh my god, this is abusive. Dude, somebody fucking do something.
What is he abusing?
What do I have to just go over your house on Saturday night? I'm too good. Thank you. I'll be here all week, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here all week. Socialism for you. I don't know if it's for me in particular.
Real, we need to profit on kids getting cancer.
What? Balls. Hey guys, I hate to alarm you, but there may be a ginormous ball on the point. Or was. Where the fuck did he go?
Gonna happen.
I repeat, a widow in the back.
There's a dirty joke there somewhere. I just can't find it.
I'm uninstalling this damn game.
Wait, what do you mean you're uninstalling the game? You can't uninstall the game? That's like kind of...
Where's PvE at?
PvE ain't here! It's not coming! They replaced PvE with fucking triple XP weekend! They made a whole new game just for it to become redundant!
Oh, I hate this point so bad. This shit is so painful.
What do you mean? This is like the best point.
This point.
What do you mean this is the best point? Look, watch this. I'm gonna go on there. I'm gonna dominate.
I don't even fucking want to win, bro. As long as people are angry.
That sounds like the words of a fucking main.
I'm not even a main, bro. I just started playing her like yesterday or something.
It's already the influence has already taken hold.
Golden Darko. How do you say your name?
It's just Golden Dark.
That's Camaros.
Thanks for the facelift!
Pendo.
I swear to God, do that shit one more time, May. You're losing your life.
Shield tank, please.
This is a shield tank. What are you talking about? He's got a shield. Look at it.
Golden Darko. Can I tell you a story about Saint?
Sure.
So there's a guy, it's Saint, right? So he went to the gym. And he got a boner.
Why do I need to know this?
Because Saint's awesome.
What?
Saint... What?
I don't need to know this. I don't need to know this. I'm just trying to play the game. The Boof Queen! Okay, guys. I don't know you guys, but I love you all. But we might lose because they have the Boof Queen on their side. I killed the Boof... Guys, I killed the Boof Queen! Guys, that's it. They lost their power. Okay, guys. It might occur to me that I just killed their power limiter. Please let me win. This is the only fucking enjoyment. This is the only enjoyment I can get out of this game because they fucking canceled PvP. Please. Well, at least we won that. It's the only amount of fucking joy I'm gonna get out of this game since they fucking canceled fucking PvP. I'm still fucking mad about that, you stupid son of a bitch.